Welcome to the Production channel. Then nोंथांमोननि सेराव लाना फैदों मोनसे short video but very important video for you. This video will be very helpful for you in learning English. So those students who are very interested to speak English, those who are very willing to speak English, they can watch my video and they can learn many important things from this short video. Okay? दिनै बिराद न्यूज़पेपारफोराव बाहायजाबाय थानाय आरो ओरैनोबाबो रायज्लायनायाव इंराजि रायज्लायनायाव बाहायजाबाय थानाय मोननैसो फिसा फिसा नाथाय गोबां इम्पर्टेन्ट मोननैसो फ्रेश टाइप बुस्थुफोरनि जों सोमोन्दै सावरायगोन सो नोंथाङा जुदि इंराजि रायज्लायनो इन्टारेस्टेड बा इफ यू आर इन्टारेस्टेड टु स्पीक इंग्लिश प्लीज डू वॉच माय वीडियो टू लैंड you will get a lot of help from this video, I'm sure. Okay, let's start the video.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this.
The first time जों रायज्लायगोन स्क्रिनाव लिरनानै होगोन आङो नायलांबाय था noun long noun noun long noun तारमाने मोनसे फ्रेज बियो तारमाने बेयो मा जायो एग्जांपल होयोब्ला नोंथांमोना रोखा रोखा बुजि मोनगोन जेरैबायदि एग्जांपल होनि आङो an hour long video calling noun long noun first of noun ini no long ini no noun तारमाने an hour long video call तारमाने एक घंटा गोलाव मायबा मोनसे बिदि फोरमायनो थाखाय बे फर्मुलाखौ बाहायनाय जायो दाना मा जायो हमना ला एग्जांपल आङो आंनि लोगोजों एक घंटा गोलाव सम भिडिअ कलिं रायज्लायदोंमोन I had an hour long video calling with my friends आङो आंनि लोगोजों एक घंटा गोलाव सम भिडिअ रायज्लायदोंमोन मायबा मोनसे 2 घंटाबो जानो हानाय I had 2 hour long video calling with my friends आङो आंनि लोगोजों 2 घंटा गोलाव सम भिडिअ कलिं रायज्लायदोंमोन बा हमनानै जेबायदि आरो चीफ मिनिस्टारा प्राइम मिनिस्टारजों 1 घंटा गोलाव सम भिडिअ कनफारेन्स खालामदोंमोन The chief minister had an hour long video conferencing with prime minister चीफ मिनिस्टारा प्राइम मिनिस्टारजों 1 घंटा गोलाव सम भिडिअ कनफारेन्स खालामदोंमोन Our example noun long noun एखे बिनिनो हमना ला बिनि जानजाय सिर गोलाव खानाया बिखौ आरो गोबांसिन समायना खालामदोंमोन हमना ला we are talking about a girl beautiful girl समायना सिख्लाखौ ओरैनो समायना सिख्लाया समायनाखा नाथाय बिनि आरो जानजाय सिबां गोलाव खानाया बिखौ आरोबाव बिउटिफुल खालामदोंमोन आरो her waist long hair makes a more beautiful and attractive बिनि जानजाय सिबां गोलाव खानाया बिखौ आरोबाव समायनासिन आरो माने गोसो बोगथाबनो हाथावनासिन खालामदोंमोन her waist noun long hair noun makes her more beautiful and attractive आरो खनसे बुंदों her waist long hair makes her more beautiful and attractive so very important and very interesting बिनि जानजाय से गोलाव खानाया बिखौ आरो समायनासिन खालामदोंमोन दाना आरो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल बेबायदिनो नाउन एडजेक्टिव नाउन लंआबो मोनसे एडजेक्टिवमोन बियो आनथुसे गोथौ दैयाव हाबदोंमोन बे रोखोमनिबो आरो नि माने आनथु डीप माने गोथौ बेनिफ्राय नि डीप वाटार सिंगल नाउन नि डीप वाटार नाउन एडजेक्टिव नाउन He waded into the knee-deep water. बियो आनथुसे दैयाव हाबदोंमोन बियो आनथुसे गोथौ दैयाव हाबदोंमोन He waded माने हाबनाय He waded into the knee-deep water. बियो आनथुसे गोथौ दैयाव हाबदोंमोन आनथुसे गोलाव जानजायसे गोलाव आनथुसे गोथौ 1 घंटा गोलाव बेबायदि रोखोमनि बाथ्रा बुंनो थाखाय बे फर्मुलाखौ बाहायनाय जायो बे सेन्टेन्सनि स्ट्राक्चारखौ आरो खायसे बुंदों he waded into the knee deep water बियो आनथुसे गोथौ दैयाव हाबदोंमोन हमना ला बियो जानजायसे गोथौ दैयाव हाबदोंमोन he waded into the waist deep water. बियो आन्थु जानजायसे दैयाव हाबदोंमोन. So very interesting. So बे बाथ्राफोरखौ लिरख'नानै ला. Just take it in your copy and practice it. Make as possible as sentences you can. जेमान sentence बानायनो हायो एसेबां बानाय. Practice it. Remember it. Try to understand the sense and use it in practice. When you talk with your friends, you'll be able to use these phrases and these sentence structures, and it sounds very good to make sentences with the sentence structures. Okay, let us come to the next sentence structure. नोजोर होनानै माखौबा मोनसे नोजोर होनानै जेनेबा हमनानै ला जों मिटिंफोराव बुङोना समनि आंखालखौ नोजोर होनानै जोङो मिटिंखौ गुसुं खालामनाय जाबाय. नोजोर होनानै माखौबा नोजोर होनानै इंराजियाव बुंनोबा keeping in mind. keeping in mind माने नोजोर होनानै. keeping in mind मा बुस्थुखौ नोजोर होनानै बिनि नुफाथिनांगोन. हमना ला समनि आंखालखौ नोजोर होनानै जोङो मिटिंखौ गुसुं खालामनाय जाबाय. keeping in mind the shortage of time we have curtailed the meeting. keeping in mind the shortage of time. समनि आंखाल shortage माने थ' आंखाल. समनि आंखालखौ नोजोर बोनानै बा नोजोर होनानै. keeping in mind माने नोजोर बोनानै एबा नोजोर होनानै. keeping in mind the shortage of time we have curtailed the meeting. जों प्रग्रामखौ गुसुं खालामबाय. we have shortened माने गुसुं खालामनाय, curtailed माने गुसुं खालामनाय. we have shortened the programs of the meeting. meeting नि program हाबाफारिफोरखौ जोङो सुंद' खालामबाय. So keeping in mind माने जाबाय नोजोर होनानै बा नोजोर बोनानै. Next sentence phrase very important आरो एकदम नों पेपार नायोब्ला if you go through a column of newspapers at least you will get this everywhere in every column and every day, because these sentence structures are everywhere used every day in each and every situations, and basically in the political situations this phrase which I'm going to say now is used. So it's very important. So please pay attention to this phrase and try to understand it. Try to get the sense of the use of these kind of sentence structures. It will be very helpful for you, and you'll use these phrases in talking and writing everywhere in English. Okay. Noun, past participle, noun. Very important. Noun, past participle of the verb are a noun. Then be मा जायो sentence example होयोबा नोंसोर रोखा बुजि मोनगोन. Noun, past participle from the verb are a noun. बिजाबै मा हमना ला example लानि जेरैबायदि नरेन्द्र मोदी led government. मोदी led government. lead निफ्राय led जादो led तारमाने past participle form. lead माने दैदेननाय, led past form आरो past participle form. होमबा मोदी led government. बे खामानिखौ मोदीजों दैदेनजानाय सोरखारा मावनो थाखाय आखायाव लादोंमोन. The Modi led government took this initiative बा undertook this project to do. बे खामानिखौ मावनो थाखाय मोदीजों दैदेनजानाय सोरखारा बा मोदीनि दैदेननाय सरकारा आखायाव लादोंमोन. आरो दाना बेलेग एग्जाम्पल लादों मोदी लेड नंलिया. नाला हाग्रामा लेड बिटिसि गभर्नमेन्ट. हाग्रामाया दैदेननाय बिटिसि गभर्नमेन्टआ. हमना ला हाग्रामाया दैदेननाय बिटिसि गभर्नमेन्टआ थाबैनो जोबसिगोन. हाग्रामा लेड बिटिसि गभर्नमेन्ट is coming to an end at the earliest. हाग्रामाजों दैदेनजानाय बिटिसि सरकारा थाबैनो जोबसिगोन. So बेबायदि मायबा मोनसे सालायजानाय इखिना माने एज हल नाउन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फर्म आरो नाउन गटायबो लोगो नांना मोनसे नाउननिनो खामानि मावदों बियो. फ्लाड एफेक्टेड एरिया नाउन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फर्म आरो नाउन. फ्लाड एफेक्टेड एरिया माने दैबानाजों गादब जानाय ओनसोल. हमना ला चिफ मिनिस्टारा दैबानाजों गादब जानाय ओनसोलफोरखौ नायबिदिंहैदोंमोन. The chief minister visited बेरायहैदोंमोन the flood affected area. Flood affected area. Flood noun, affected past participle form of the verb आरो area noun. माने noun past participle form of the verb आरो noun. Flood affected area दैबानाजों गाग्लोब जानाय ओनसोलफोर. The prime minister visited the flood affected area. दैबानाजों गादब जानाय ओनसोलफोरखौ प्राइम मिनिस्टारा नायगिदिंहैदोंमोन. So very important. Last example मोनसे COVID-19 induced situation. पेपाराव नायबा हदाय मोनगोन नों सानफ्रोमबो मोनगोन नों इखो. दा COVID-19 induced situation adversely affected the economy of the state of the country. माने COVID-19 जों सोमजिनाय बे सिचुएशना हादोरनि रांखान्थिखौ गाज्रियै गोहोम खोख्लैदोंमोन. COVID-19 induced situation adversely affected the economy of the country. जोंनि हादोरनि बा हादोरनि रांखान्थिखौ COVID-19 निफ्राय सोमजिनाय गाज्रि थासारिया गाज्रियै गोहोम खोख्लैदोंमोन. So very interesting. आरो मोनसे एग्जाम्पल लानाय जों फ्लाड एफेक्टेड एरिया होनालासिनो फ्लाड हिट एरिया बोना पेपाराव माखासे मोनगोन. फ्लाड हिट एरिया माने दैबानाजों गादब जानाय हिट बुजानाय माने गादब जानाय दैबानाथ' मवाथ' गन्द बुबायबायनो दैबाना मानसिखौलाय गादबनायानो जागोन गाग्लोबनाय बा दैबानाजों गोहोम खोख्लैजानाय फ्लाड हिट एरिया. So बेफोर जाबाय very important sentence structures. So if you go through these sentence structures and phrases, and if you try to understand the sense, if you try to understand, and if you understand the meanings and the use of these phrases in English, it will be very helpful for you in talking English with your friends, and everybody will understand the sentences, because these sentences are very frequently used in the newspapers. In our daily life also these phrases are used by us in talking English. So if you are very interested to speak English, it is very important to know the use of these phrases and to know the meaning of these phrases, because this will help you a lot in speaking English language. If you don't know these words, it will be very, problem for you to express such kind of situations in English. So it's very important. I suggest you to understand and to note it down and try to understand the meaning and try to learn how to use this in practice, all these things, okay? And once you can learn all these things completely, once you can understand the complete use of these phrases, you will be able to speak English within a very short period of time. It's not a difficult task. Okay? इंराजि रायलायनाय मार इंराजि मिडियाम जालायना आंबो गोथां बर' मिडियामसो से थाखोनिफ्राय एकदम बेसां बेलासे आंबो बर' मिडियाम पियर बर' मिडियामावनो फरायनाय. Yet I can speak English. Though not the English of foreigners. Foreigners speak English नङाबाबो I can speak English. I can express my feelings in English. Foreigners नि बायदि जानांगौ होननाथ' जेबो हमनाय गैया. Just what is communications? Just you have to try to communicate in English without speaking your mother language. That is communications, and we need that only at first, in the initial stage. And you can gradually improve your pronunciation, intonation, and action like foreigners and Americans in England. If you want to talk like the people of America and England, after learning all the basic things and after acquiring the capability of speaking English at the very initial stage, you can gradually improve your pronunciation, intonation, accents, and all. This is nothing. This is a very easy thing, and you can improve it later. After getting the concept of speaking English language, after getting the skill of speaking English language, accent, intonation, and other things can be improved later. So that's all. See you in the next video. I'll be bringing this kind of important video for you so that it can help you a lot in speaking English language. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.